Hold on. All right. We are here doing a dental office. One of my customers, we do them. We actually have a good amount of dental offices, but this particular one we're doing we do it twice a year. So we did a strip and a wax. So basically already stripped everything and mopped everything real nice. So we're applying a second coat right now. So if you need anything as far as commercial, any kind of floors, strip and wax, you know, floor burnishing, buffing, marble, we do it all. www.navescleaning.com. Visit us. But this will come up real nice. We're going to put 3 to 4 thicker coats on the next 2 coats. But we use the doodle bug around the edges there. Special, you know, the scrubber that scrubs real good in the corner. So you try to do it right. Mop everything real good. Prepped all the stuff, all the cables up off of here. We have air movers going. We did the carpet in here too. And we're real neat. So when we're done, we're going to mop the floor, work our way out. So that's what we try to do here at Naves Cleaning and Restoration. We like to use the wax applicator because it goes on more evenly. It does help save you a little bit of wax too instead of using the mop like the old days. So we're using the air mover to dry. Just got done doing all the carpet. We have 1 coat applied to some of these exam rooms. Now did some of the carpet. That's it. Check us out.